Hi, here I am demonstrating IoT based criminal identification system. Okay, so this system is demonstrating to find the criminal who is passing across our cameras, which are placed at traffic signals. Okay, so the camera is capturing the video image of the criminal, then which is transmitting to server. Okay, in server we are maintaining some database, and with that we are checking whether the database whether the criminal is in the database or not. If he is in the database, then it will give some alert to the near people. So that is the theme of this project. Now how you are implementing this project using Raspberry Pi. Okay, so this is your web page. You can access this web page globally. Then here a small text box is there. If the criminal found in database, the details will be displayed on this text box. Okay, now here we are using Raspberry Pi as a processor. Then this Raspberry Pi is connecting with webcam. So the webcam, here we are using our mobile cam. Okay, our mobile cam is as a webcam, then it is transmitting video to Raspberry Pi. So by using IP webcam app, so you can download it from the Google. So here this is the app, then this app has some IP address. Okay, so this is your IP address. Okay, right, so this IP address you can keep it in your Raspberry Pi. This Raspberry Pi and your mobile is connecting through Wi-Fi. Okay, right, so here this is your local global web page. So if the person is detected, then it is now just a minute. Now let us open our program through terminal, and okay, so now it is retrieving and training, and it's trying to open your image. That means the Raspberry Pi is connected to webcam through mobile. So now it is opening. Criminal detected, please alert. Now it is giving your video like this. Okay, this is your video. Okay, so video is taken from your mobile like this. Okay, taken from your mobile, right? So mobile to Raspberry Pi, then it is displaying on your screen. So if the person is matched with the database, okay, if the person is matched with database, then in your web page it is detecting like this. Web page through here, enter. Yes, you can open in your mobile also like this. Yes, okay, so this is your web browser, and in this you can find the criminal details on the text box like this. Okay, so a similar way you can open in PC also. Enter web link. Here I am entering web link. Yes, now it is opening. Yes, okay, here you got and criminal details on your text box like this. Okay, so this is the wonderful project to identify the criminals where he is passing through webcams which are placing at traffic signals. Okay, it is very easy to identify the criminals who are walking or who are moving in the public, right? So thank you.